I love this picture. You know what they say? One picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, black women, this is what you look like when you start with the rah rah. Really, no matter what you actually look like, this is what we see when you start with the BS. You can actually look like this. But what we see when you start with that rah rah stuff is this. Black women, you have the power to choose how we black men experience you. It's up to you. You want better results? You want better outcomes? Make better decisions. Change your attitude. Otherwise, it's insane. Let's do better. Peace.